I'm Sir Hans, and welcome to our video. The International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, is a system for writing sounds. And in this video, I will show you 10 examples of simple words and 10 words that are interesting and challenging to pronounce. At the end of this video, you will know the way how English word is spelled is different from how it is spoken. Let's get started. In IPA, we have vowels and consonants. Here are the examples of simple words. First, we have I, I, I. Fish, fish, milk, milk. Next, oh, oh, oh. Book, book. Foot, foot. Wood, wood. Next, ha, ha, ha. Run, run. Sun, sun. Next, we have ha, ha, ha. Hand, hand. Land, land. Next, e, e, e. Tree, tree. And lastly, a, a, a. Wait, wait, wait. Then, here are the interesting and challenging words to pronounce. Wrist, wrist. Psalm, psalm. Not, not. Depot, depot. Bow, bow. Nonchalant, nonchalant. Ennui, ennui. Euphoria, euphoria. Nostalgia, nostalgia. Anti-disestablishmentarianism, anti-disestablishmentarianism. I hope that you have learned from this video. Goodbye!